So you're invited to the ball. Okay, here.
Wish I could be part of that world.
Woo! Sing it, baby. Woo! Sing it, baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome, madam.
You're welcome, madam. Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Welcome to our channel, and if y'all new to our channel, then it's a blessing to have y'all here. So come to the princess ball with us. We turned our living room into a princess ball, so come watch and see how the day went and see how we got everything started. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to this video. All right, let's get into it. So I started off, y'all, by doing Harmony's hair. I had to take down her hair. Well, I did both of the girls' hairs first. So yeah, that's me just taking down her hair, getting everything ready. I use this olive oil eco gel. It's the green kind, and I'm just putting that in her edges, just kind of touching it up a little bit. I'm not really taking down her braids. I'm just giving it a quick little touch up, and then I'll be eventually adding like yellow barrettes. And then once I add the yellow barrettes, I go ahead and throw on her tiara. So I put her tiara on the way so that it can stay down. So I put the crown on first, and then I put like the braids that's hanging up into one ponytail so that it can kind of hold down the tiara. And then I'm adding a yellow ball in the middle.
What color is that? Green?
No, yes. Okay, now guess.
I did guess. Is it green? But how about blue?
No. What color is yours?
Oh, yellow.
Yep, I told her to guess what color I'm using, and she guessed it. I was like, what color is your dress? She was like, oh yeah, yellow. So anyway, after putting oil on her face, this is the final result. Yes, she's all ready for the ball. So this is Bubba as well. She don't like taking pictures, so that's the best I could do. All right, so after they get dressed into their beautiful yellow dresses, I take my background that I had for my baby shower, like when I was pregnant with baby girl. It's a pretty chandelier / ball king and queen princess type of background. So I thought this would be perfect to use, and I think that they loved it too. And yeah, they're excited. They can't wait, y'all. Alright y'all, so we got their approval from them. They loved it. So now what y'all see me doing, I'm just kind of moving everything out of the way. I'm moving this entertainment center, yeah, just kind of moving it out the way, clearing the room. So Harmony, she wanted to do the pink dress, so and they helped me put it up, and that's how it looks. I love that background, it's so pretty. So I'm still kind of getting everything ready. Here, Harmony, record. Oh, I knew you.
No, I want to put it on though.
Hold on, let me try her on the top. Here. We're going to unravel it, okay?
I want to unravel it. Okay, is that okay?
No, help sister. Let sister help you unravel it. Unravel it, baby.
Unravel.
Gotta get ready for the princess ball. I'll help y'all. Okay, y'all, I had to turn off the lights so I could untangle it. This was kind of tangled up pretty good. But yeah, we're gonna get through it. So yeah, we just untangle it, and I'm letting the girls help me with this as well. But I kind of had to cut, like there was like a string that I had to cut. So once I got that cut, we turned it on a bit, and then we're gonna just put it on up.
Can I turn it on?
Nope, don't turn it on yet. We're gonna unravel it, okay? Keep it off.
Fine. In a little bit, I might sing to my other one.
All right, y'all, so the pattern that I'm gonna kind of do with these star string lights is I want to kind of make them into like a loop. So I'm going to be hanging them up like kind of like drapes, so not just like a straight line. I'm going to kind of curve them a little bit as I go.
I got another tray that I'll move.
Power on. Bluetooth ready to pair. Bluetooth connected.
So you're invited to the ball. Okay, here. Okay.
Walking around on those.
Scoot over there. Scoot over there. You gotta stand on the stage, girl. You gotta go sing on the stage.
Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs
Go over there, baby, and sing.
jumping, dancing, strolling along down the
Go over there, baby. Y'all both sing it together.
street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering. Go, 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 go!
Got our pizza, so we're eating some pizza, and we're gonna have some tea time as well.
Master Duda, how can I help you? You want some?
Wow.
It's not hot. You want some? You want to try it? Hold on, wait, I'll look at the bread.
We
Oh,
just
look at
tried it
you.
in there. We can try it. Thank you. That's
You're welcome, madam.
You're welcome, madam. Thank you. Go ahead, just pour it. You're fine.
delicious.
Thank you. You want some?
Oh no, I still.
You want some? It's not even that hot. He being dramatic. Yum.
Are you sure there's any more there?
Bye-bye.
Hold on, I didn't put none yet.
Oh, okay.
I was waiting on you.
Okay, you can pour it. Look, y'all say cheese.
I'm crazy or say that I drift too far, but once you know what you like, well there you are. You are your father's daughter.
Sing it, baby.
Just outlined they've been.
Woo, sing it, baby.
Wish I could be part of that world.
Woo.
If I could live out of years, what would I? Yeah, I'm in a mood. Feeling like a groove.
All right, y'all, so that's pretty much wrapped up everything we did color. That's my picture of Princess Jasmine, because you know that's like me. Okay. So yeah, these are the coloring books. It was really a good time, y'all. I thank y'all so much for watching. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with y'all friends. And we did have a game night as well, and singing and everything. So yeah, I think that they had so much fun. They did have a lot of fun. So yes, make sure y'all share this video with y'all friends. Like, share, and subscribe. See y'all in my next video. Bye.